Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 384, June 11th of opening alongside second Ember and Lampard VMAX. But today we are going to be opening my first ever Build and Battle Stadium. This is Lost Origin. I think we got this from GameStop for like super cheap. So yeah, we're gonna open it today. It's got like two of the Build and Battle kits before, and I've opened battle kits before, just not the battle stadium. So, you know, we're going to see what this is all about. It's kind of like a mini ETB when you really think about it. Just, like, not as good. But, yeah, we'll take our wrapping off. This one doesn't have anything inside. But we got pretty cool design here. We got Gardevoir and Heart Lady. We just got all the pack arts around the cover. That's nice, and it's got Lost Origins on the front. Lost Origin. I always say Origins. Okay, so we got two. Okay, we'll start with this. The fattest brick of energies, guys. I should just make like a brick of energies, like building, because I got so many energies. We got red dice. Nice. Oh, okay. So we get 4 packs. We'll open these. And then we got 2 more Build and Battle kits. Wait, I've never opened Build and Battle. I've opened pre-release. That's what I've opened. But yeah, we got these 2, so we'll open those another day. Oh, well, I should probably leave them out here somewhere. Honestly, I'm going to leave the energy. I'm going to put some old stuff in here, like just some of the energies. Oh, and we got damage counters. These are the old ones. So, yeah. Put some old sleeves in there as well. And, yeah, so we got nice packs today. It's also podium reset day, so we got a solid lineup to start this podium off well. So, let's do it. Alright, guys, so this is our final podium. It was so good. This was Pikachu promo was our honorable mention, but outside of that, this podium is absolutely super good. Absolutely really good. So, yeah. This is one of our better podiums, I feel like. Full empty podium for Evolving Skies. I think if we get a hit from today, I was about to say, that would be 4 in a row. That'd be pretty good. But, you know, we got Lost Origin. Been opening Scarlet and Violet recently. I don't remember how to do this. V-Star marker. Damage Pump. Yeah, Evolving Snow. Paris. Inkay. Hisuian Basculin. Jinx. Makuhita. Roserade. And a Hisuian Zoroark V-Star. Okay. V-Star to start. Not bad. Not bad. Alrighty. Second pack of Lost Origin. This is like my favorite set too. Such a good set. I feel like it's not really water. I feel like it's not really put in a lot of like boxes, like just like the 4-pack boxes or tins. I feel like it's never really put in them. I don't know. I feel like it's kind of like you buy blisters or individual. It doesn't come with like other stuff. Radiant Gardevoir, double 2 packs, 2 hits. Radiant Gardevoir. I think I have both these cards. I don't know. But hey, 2 packs, 2 hits. Keep it going. I should have let Wilbur pick a pack, but you know, he had a big strikeout with the ETB. But at the same time, the ETB only had 2 hits, so it's okay, Wilbur. I gotta get it one. I gotta get an energy right. Leaf. Yes. Bronzong. Box of Disaster, Galarian Stunfisk, Porygon, Ducklet, Blipbug, Finian, Zora, Glasterer, and a Giratina V. See guys, this is why we love Lost Origin. 3 hits and 3 packs, Giratina V. Beautiful 3 hits. Now can we go 4-4-4? 4-4-4. 4-4-4. It's literally 3 4s in a row. 4-4-4. Can we go 4-4-4? Even though that's only 3 4s. Can we go 4-4-4-4? Fire. Dark. Dottler. Damage Pump. Ambipom. Rhyhorn. Murkrow. Horsey. Mawile. Shellos. And can we get... nope. We did get 3 hits though. Also guys, I'm deciding we're going to also open another, or an actual Build and Battle kit, not just the extra 4 packs. So, yeah, cut the wrapping off there. Do they still make the Scarlet and Violet? Do they still make them in the 6-pack like they did here? Just 6 packs? Those boxes were good. Build and Battle. I wonder what promo we get. I don't want Gengar. I think I already have Gengar. Alrighty, I'll take that. We got our little thing here. That's kind of how to do the Build and Battle kits, which I don't really do them just because, you know. But we got the Comfey promo, which is nice. I don't have this one, so very nice. And we got our 4 packs here. Let's do it. Oh, I'll let Wilbur pick one this time. Just because, you know, it's kind of a mess here. Here you go. Alrighty. Alrighty, he picked the one we already started opening. So he is putting very big confidence in this pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic. Fire. Damage Pump again. Dottler again. Seadra. Lickitung. Slugma. Apom. Clefairy. Spinarak. Wind Up Arm. Oh, Wilbur coming in with the non-holo. Come on, Wilbur. Wilbur Phase Hog Rider. You're better than that. Watch like all the rest of the packs just be loaded like the last one, and Wilbur picks the one with the non-holo. Electric. Another Dark Energy. Carbink. Panic Mask. Lampent. Roselia. Porygon. Inkay, Blipbug, Finian, Dottler. Ooh! Colress's Experiment Rainbow Trainer. Alrighty. Look at that, Wilbur. You missed out. We got a beautiful Rainbow Trainer card. Oh my goodness. That is... Oh, our hits are falling. Alrighty. Very nice out of our Build and Battle. Let's get at least one more hit, and that'll be a good Build and Battle. One, two, three, four. V-Star marker. The other one was on the other side. It's kind of weird. Colress. Hey, we just got that one. He's carrying his same handy device, it looks like. Lost City. Swanna. Wurmple. Tynamo. Seedot, Horsey, Meditite, Murkrow, and a Magearna non-holo. Where are my trainer gallery cards? I want to get a trainer gallery card. We've gotten like all hits and no trainer galleries. Alright, if we get one more hit, then this Build and Battle is a good one. If we don't, it's a little bit bad, but it's not that bad because we got a rainbow, but it's still a little bit bad. That's an energy I haven't guessed. Fighting. Psychic, of course. Last Vacuum, Cascoon, Ambipom, Phalanx, Skwovet, Poliwag, Oddish, Swing Growlithe, Carbink, and a Raichu. So, second building battle, a little bit. We only got one rainbow, but it's still pretty good. Lost Origin's such a good set. But, yeah, if you guys did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next one. Bye.